Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. The French formal garden, where nature meets geometry and grace. The classic French garden, or Jardin à la Française, represents a breathtaking dialogue between the wildness of nature and the human desire for order. Originating in the 17th century, this style famously reached its zenith in the gardens of Versailles, designed for Louis XIV. Rather than mimicking natural landscapes, these gardens impose a magnificent structure upon the land. They are living architecture, where greenery is sculpted into precise geometric forms and elegant patterns. The core philosophy is one of mastery and refinement, creating an outdoor space that feels both expansive and intimately composed. Ultimately, it is a timeless art form where nature is perfected through geometry and imbued with unparalleled grace. The most striking feature of a French formal garden is its powerful central axis that organizes the entire landscape. This straight line, often extending from the chateau's main doorway, creates a strong sense of order and purpose. Broad gravel paths and expansive lawns run parallel to this axis, reinforcing the geometric framework and leading the eye outward. This design intentionally creates long, uninterrupted vistas that showcase the garden's scale and demonstrate mastery over the environment. The perspective draws visitors forward, inviting them on a journey through a carefully composed landscape. Ultimately, this rigid symmetry imposes a harmonious structure, making even the largest gardens feel unified and intelligible. At the heart of the garden, near the residence, you will often find the intricate parterre de broderie, or embroidery parterre. These are elaborate beds, typically filled with colored gravel, sand, or low boxwood, that form curving lace-like patterns. The parterre is designed to be appreciated from an elevated viewpoint, much like a tapestry spread out upon the ground. Complementing these are meticulously sculpted shrubs and trees, known as topiary, which are pruned into cones, spheres, and other geometric shapes. This controlled greenery provides structure and year-round form, even when flowers are not in bloom. Together, the parterre and topiary transform plants into living architectural elements, emphasizing art over nature. To break the monotony of green and add focal points, French gardens strategically employ ornamental features. Elegant stone urns, weathered statues depicting mythological figures, and perfectly placed stone benches are positioned to accent pathways and terminate vistas. However, the most magnificent ornament is often water, used in reflective, serene pools or dynamic, theatrical fountains. These water features capture the sky, amplify the sense of space, and introduce movement and sound into the serene landscape. The mirrors of water double the garden's beauty, reflecting the orderly patterns and the architecture of the home. This careful placement of art and hydraulics provides moments of delight and reinforces the garden's theme of controlled elegance.